All right, like the title says, YouTubers, this was actually a $10 mod you can get through Ford. If you purchased your truck recently, just go to the Ford reward points and you can get, it's 42,000 points. So I guess it translates to a little over 200 bucks. This tailgate spoiler is $250 if you get it directly on their website. For Ford parts, they have a discount right now. I think it's 20% off your total purchase. So long story short, I ended up paying $1 and it was $9 shipping where I live. So it varies depending on where you live. So more or less you're gonna spend probably like between 11 bucks to maybe $8. I bought my truck a while back, but I still called Ford and they gave me the phone number to the reward points center. I'll post a picture of what I paid for it, so I'm not, lying to you guys. So if you buy your truck, and I'm assuming if you bought it brand new and financed it through Ford, you get the points. I don't know exactly what they require to get the 42,000 points that I got, but just want to let you guys know. So this is it. It's super simple to install. I washed my truck before I installed it. It has an adhesion promoter. All you got to do is buy some rubbing alcohol, or if you have some at the house, just get some, clean the surface, then put the adhesion promoter. And it's double-sided tape. You just press it on. Post the number as well for the Ford reward points. So all you got to do is call them. If you have the Ford Pass, all you have to do is give them your ID number for your Ford Pass, and then they'll submit you in the system. It took like a couple days for me to get the points added to my account. Take advantage of the offer while it's still there and the discount. Good luck, guys.